It is safe for us humans, but not for dogs. It could cause fluid to accumulate in the dog's lungs and chest, making it difficult for them to breathe. Now you're probably not thinking about feeding your pooch avocados. He might not even like it. However, make sure they never find avocado pits on the floor. They might chew on them, and that can prove toxic for them. Number 2. Garlic is toxic for dogs because of a compound called thiosulfate. Our furry friends cannot digest this compound, and it builds up in their bloodstream, causing their blood cells to rupture.